welcome back to the video here, Anth.Tech, and I just received the Humanscale Float high adjustable desk. Now I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this, and also be making a brand new series on the channel called Building My Gaming Setup. Now my friend Jacqueline from Anth.Tech 88 also something very similar to this, but this will have my twist to it. So what I'll do is I'll use this desk and redo my whole setup behind me, and that'll be in that series. But in this video, just gonna be me assembling this desk in a time-lapse form, and also just a mini review on the desk. But if you wanna see the full desk and everything in preparation, wait for those series, and it'll be coming out very soon. And the first episode I'm planning to get out is in the next week. So without further ado, let's go ahead and assemble the desk. Okay, so here is a Humanscale Float high adjustable desk, all installed and ready to go. You might be wondering why this box is on here, and that's because there needs to be weight on the desk, because this desk uses counterbalanced weights and not electronics like most high adjustable desks that have the buttons going up and down. So this is all using gravity and counterbalanced weights. So the first thing you're going to do to raise this up is press the lever on here, and then it'll go up to your sitting position. As you can tell, that went up really fast, and if you had a regular high adjustable desk, it would take anywhere between 10 to 20 seconds. So this thing shoots up in about 2 to 3 seconds, which is awesome. Then you want to lower it, same thing, press the lever, and it goes right back down. Now you're in your sitting position. So this is an awesome desk. Okay, that's going to wrap up my assembly and mini review for the Humanscale Float high adjustable desk. And if you liked it, there'll be a link down below where you can go and check out more details on the desk and also the buying process if you'd like to get one. Like I said before in the beginning of the video, there'll be a brand new series on the channel called Building My Gaming Setup, which you definitely don't want to miss out on, or the Ultimate Desk Tour for 2017. Those are the most videos that you don't want to miss out on, so subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Also drop a like on this video if you enjoyed, and as always, stay classy.